Hey there, this is Karina Danager coming to you live from Dittmer Circle in Southeast Palm Bay today. I hope you're all doing good out there. I have to tell you, it is a gorgeous, gorgeous day here in Florida. We're in the mid 80s, the breeze is blowing softly, the palm trees are whispering, and they're saying if you're not living down here, you need to relocate and call me. But if you are here and you're looking for a place, I have a spectacular home, and I want to tell you all about what we're looking at here today. Now, let me just switch this over. We're in the sweetest little neighborhood, and you can see we are in a really great community. There is a pool, clubhouse, basketball courts, swimming pool, a lot to do. The neighbors are all very sweet. Every house is spectacular. There's beautiful trees that line the sidewalks, curb appeal galore. This house is so stunning. I just want you to see the front before we go in. Where I'm located is towards, we're down Babcock Street, so we're not too far from 95, a lot of shopping. The Palm Bay extension to Eastern Florida State College is right down the street. 95, you're 15-20 minutes from the beach itself. And so let's go on in, because this 4-bedroom, 2-bath home has so many upgrades. One of the most recent things the owners have done is they put this very sweet little screened-in front porch on the front, so you can actually sit here and have the door open and enjoy the good breeze that's coming through. This used to be carpet in this room when we walk into the foyer, and it is now all tile. The builders down here seem to like to do tile on the floors, and I'm sorry, the carpet in certain standard rooms, and the owners just recently replaced it. So let's see, we're putting this light fixture on, see if that helps. Okay, so now let's talk about this room. This room has nice high ceilings, beautiful walls. The whole interior was just recently freshly painted. Nice neutral colors. You have the nice little bar there going into the kitchen. This would be your dining room. Very, very sweet. As you come through, if you like to cook or you like takeout with a lot of packages, this is your kitchen. This kitchen is ginormous. You have a huge center island. Also good for entertaining and everyone congregating in the kitchen. Brand new backsplash. Very large cabinets. And I'm trying to fix this light here so you guys can get a better lighting. But for some reason, my phone is not working correctly today. It's blocking the view. So let's keep looking. You have nice recessed lighting, very tall cabinets, beautiful microwave, deep sink. You have very deep sink over there. Cabinets galore. There is a space for everything. You have cabinets on the other side. You can have a coffee bar, a real bar, whatever you need to do. Nice stainless steel appliances, big open floor plan, ceiling fans in every room. Let's take a look at this cute little eat-in kitchen, greeted by the sweetest little window overlooking the fenced-in backyard, which we'll go look at in a minute. Behind this door is a super large pantry. As we walk down this hallway, to the left is a very large laundry room with a deep sink. In here would be bedroom number 2 with plenty of storage. It is currently being used as an office. Good closet space. You have a little bit of everything going on in here. Again, beautiful tile floors. Over here on the left, I have to say this little cutie pie is not a stuffed animal, and he does not convey. And you have a nice new ceiling fan that was recently put in. Good sized closets. As we turn around, we have the second bathroom here. You have a good counter high sink. You have the tub, recently retiled, looks beautiful, recently painted in there. And then we have the third bedroom back here, which is even larger. And you have the nice ceiling fan, good wall space, great closet space. And then I'm going to take you on over to the master bedroom, because this house is so spectacular. I can't even believe we're going to be selling it for $285,000 to have all of this. Again, this area here was all carpet, just like the front room, and it was all recently upgraded to tile. So you only have carpets in the bedrooms, which most people like that. This carpet here is new in the master. And I just want you to take a look for a second how pretty that ceiling fan is. The beautiful windows with the window treatment. Lots and lots of space in this bedroom. It is a large master. High ceilings. The breezes is coming through the windows today. It's so nice. Now this shower is brand new. This is a frameless glass shower that was just extended, and it is extra large. This is a brand new shower that was just put in and finished last week. You have the garden soaking tub. You have the double sinks with lots of cabinet space. And then of course we have the water closet, which is nice to have the door on that. One of my favorite features in Florida, actually. So as we're moving through, I want to show you this very sweet back screened in porch. And then I'll get to show you this brand new customized big back paver backyard. Oh, and I think we might have some visitors, so we'll have to talk to them. But look at the brand new ceiling fan out here. The breeze is blowing. It's a perfect Florida day. And the fenced in yard goes all the way around. Hey guys, what are you doing here? I thought, did you not remember I was doing the Facebook Live video today?
Yeah, we knew.
Oh, okay. Well, while you're here, let's talk about this amazing paver patio that you've put in. Hi, Jill.
Hi.
How's it going out here?
It's beautiful.
What are you guys doing? Are you having drinks already?
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
What? You guys act like you're retired.
Well, we kind of are, you know.
I'm a little jealous.
You know, you're enjoying the new patio and the backyard and all the privacy that we've managed to achieve back here.
You have done an amazing job. Do you remember what this backyard looked like when I sold it to you?
Oh my God, it was a disaster. There was this gazebo that was falling down. Right where we're sitting was this deck that looked like it had gone through a world war.
Yep.
With a pergola overhead that was falling down. And so we just we got rid of all that. Started with a clean slate, put in new sod, grass, landscaping, quite a few ponds. And this amazing little thing.
What is that?
It's a center motorized awning.
Oh, now I know you don't do anything halfway. So did you just push a button?
Yeah, I did. The remote right here.
Oh my gosh.
And it'll fold out. It covers almost the entire patio area.
I love that.
It has a little sensor up there so that on a breezy day like today, if the breeze gets to be too much, it'll automatically close itself so it doesn't get damaged.
No, for real? How does it know that?
There's a motion sensor in there.
That is incredible.
And you can see it's closing itself.
Yes.
It's not fully extended. It says no.
Nope. Wow, that's amazing. What a great thing you added to your home.
So, but, you know, in the summertime, already, you know, the backyard, the only thing you need is a little bit of shade and the temperature will
It does. That is correct. Yep.
So this will allow us in the summertime to be able to enjoy the backyard all that much more.
I love it. And you did such a beautiful job, both of you, on the landscaping back here. I don't know if you folks can see this huge extra space with this paver patio that they took all the way around. So you have plenty of space to set up for barbecues, parties, planting. This is one heck of a backyard. And the thing I really love the most, Bob and Jill, is out back. It is private. You really don't have anything going on behind you.
Nope, there's virtually nothing behind it.
That is so wonderful. So let me just spin this back around so I can talk to our audience for a second. So listen, folks, if you have someone looking for a 4-2 in Palm Bay in a spectacular community under $300,000, this is where you need to be. And if you don't mind, I'm gonna have a sip of my drink. Don't miss out, because this is the most refreshing place to be. This is Karina Daninger with Keller Williams, 321-693-2482. Don't miss this one. Have a great day.